Now, I will read one comment here. What happens when another Young Living employee who left the company leaves a Reddit post? Well, today we're going to cover that. I did another video that talked about another employee that left, and apparently it's people just want to go on Reddit and just give a little piece of their mind and be like a free-for-all on questions. So let's see what they say. This person actually knew Gary as well, so this is interesting. So this is on the Reddit Anti-MLM Sub-Reddit, to be exact. Boom. I'm going to read that title off to you, and then we're going to get right into what they said. Okay, it says, I worked in Young Living's corporate headquarters for many years. I knew Gary Young personally. AMA. Alright, there we go. So here it goes. They say, I now have the mod's approval to do this AMA, so let's try this again. First things first, I just created this account in an attempt to stay as anonymous as possible. Okay. While I no longer work at Young Living, I still have many friends and professional connections who still work there, and I do not want to burn any bridges. Well, we'll see about that. Okay, well, they're anonymous, so they probably wouldn't know anyway. But anyways, here we go. That being said, I am glad I no longer work for this shady company. Whew, their words, not mine. Link in the description. Alright, here we go. And I think the world is a safer place without Gary in it. Okay, that's messed up. That's messed up. Here we go. I mean, wow. Okay, well, like I said, they're letting a piece of their mind go. Here we go. Here we go. We're gonna finish. I don't know if anyone here would like to know more about the inner workings of Young Living Corporation, but I am here to answer your questions. Clearly, and a little bit more too. Okay, yeah, here we go. Edit number 1. Thanks for all the questions. I'm going to take a break for a while, but keep asking things if you want. I will come back later this afternoon and keep answering as much as I can. Edit number 2. It seems that questions have slowed down. I have tried to make sure everyone got an answer. I will check back again, probably later tonight or tomorrow, and see if there's any more questions from anyone else. This was actually pretty therapeutic for me to be able to get a lot of this off my chest. Thanks to the mods for letting me do this. And this one has a lot of comments. This has, as you can see, the comments continue to go down. At the time of this video, 123 comments and a decent amount of upvotes, 637 upvotes. So clearly a lot of people are interacting, engaging with this content. I think the main thing I will say as a reaction to this, well, the main thing I will say as a reaction to this, because you can read all the comments and check all those out, but just from theirs, it sounds like they wanted to vent and rant a little bit, and the fact that they could do so anonymously is kind of just like, you know what, let me just take this bag of poop and just throw it in the neighbor's yard. Woo, it's out of mine. You know what I mean? And then just kind of, they don't give any specifics on why they found Young Living shady. No fact-based evidence as well. They even implied or directly said that the world is better without Gary. I mean, that's harsh. And again, no reasons why. Yeah, they left it very open-ended with questions, and obviously a lot of questions and answers happened here, and you can check those out. But, I mean, really? Again, my purpose of this video is to let you know what people are saying and to provide a reasonable response. I have done videos on Young Living, on doTERRA, on other essential oil companies, and tried to make it as fact-based as I can. Obviously, I give commentary that is opinion-based as well, just for transparency. You know, obviously that's the case. But at the same time, you know, I try to present to the best of my, knowledge and ability and what's available, pros and cons, so that people can come to accurate conclusions. At the end of the day, people are going to have their own opinions that are going to agree or disagree with your own. They're going to be anti-MLM or for MLMs or neutral, and all those, I would say, are not right or wrong. They're just based on a belief system, which may be based on factual stuff or inaccurate stuff or other stuff. And I think it's important to basically provide that information. Now, I will read one comment here. Let's see here. Let's read one of the comments that kind of got to the top here. Okay, so here's one of the comments that I just wanted to read to you to kind of end things here. Obviously, there's a lot more comments, but it says, did the employees laugh at the delusions of the sellers? So now we're bringing employees with the distributors in question, and they said, some did, but many employees swallowed the doctrine of essential oils just as much as the distributors. Well, if the culture is about essential oils, then it's about essential oils. So anyways, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button. If you did, hit subscribe for future video updates. And most importantly, check out the links in the description below. This will be down there, this Reddit post, so you can read that, come to your own conclusion. And then also other resources so you can continue to get your learn on. And I'll see you in the next video.